Hi, in this video we are going to see really a very good news and a very good opportunity to the PhD aspirants. Why? Because one of the state universities is conducting the PhD entrance test, that is PET 2021 from all over the India, and here the total 3,400 vacant seats are there among the 72 subjects, and eligibility is the only post graduation, guys. So all the interested candidates, you may apply for this one, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the PhD admission in the state university, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and also click on the like button. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET exam, the free online classes are provided for the paper 1 as well as for the electronic science on the Unacademy platform, and the link I kept in the description box of this video, so you may check down, guys. And while coming to the paid courses are also available on the Unacademy to crack the UGC NET JRF. So here the 6 different types of courses are currently running on this one. The regarding this one, the details I kept in the description box of this video, and the links also I kept, so please check down those. Coming to the present content of the video, it is the official website of Savitribai Phule Pune University. So in this one here we got the notification for the PhD entrance test PET 2021 on 10th July 2021. We got this notification, guys. So first we will see the notification, and then we will go to the list of the subjects, and then the center wise vacant seats of the PhD admission, and then the guide wise vacant seats for the PhD admission. Fine, we will see all these things one by one. So first, coming to the notification, it is a notification regarding the PhD entrance examination 2021. So candidates shall be admitted to the PhD program by the two stages. One is the entrance examination for 100 marks multiple choice questions. Next one is a personal interview of candidate qualified in the entrance test. And the few candidates are exempted from the entrance test. I will show you whoever the candidates are exempted from the entrance test. And the entrance test paper is the two parts, 50 marks for research methodology and 50 marks for the subject specific. Total 100 marks are there, and no negative marks. Coming to the schedule of entrance test is 22nd August 2021, and the filling up of online application starts from 12th July, and the last date is 31st July. Publication of result is at 24th August 2021. Okay, and the entrance test examination for PhD program will be conducted online protracted mode. Fine. So that means entrance test will be conducted in the online mode ways. The duration and the time of the entrance examination 2 hours, and morning 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Okay, and the standards of passing for general category 50 marks you have to score, and for reserved category 45 marks you have to score. And next one is the eligibility for the admission to the PhD program. The candidates who are having the master's degree with 55% of marks, or else the equivalent grade B in the UGC 7-point scale may apply for this one, and 5% relaxation will be provided based upon the reserved categories or the differently abled as per the government of Maharashtra prescribed from time to time. And the candidates who have cleared the MPhil coursework with at least 55% of marks can also apply for this one. And the MPhil students of this university, SPPU University, whose MPhil desertion have been evaluated and the Viva voice is pending, you may apply for the PhD program. And candidates pursuing a degree considered equivalent to the MPhil degree of an Indian university from a foreign education institution may also apply. And candidates with the MD or MS qualification will be considered eligible to the PhD program in subject equivalent to medical science under the Faculty of Science and Technology. Who are exempted from the entrance examination? Candidates qualified in UGC NET including JRF, UGC CSIR NET including JRF, SLET or SET or GATE, valid score GPAT, CSIR, ICAR, ICMR, DBT and DST Inspire Fellowship and Teacher Fellowship will be exempted from the entrance test. And the candidates who have passed the MPhil program of the SPPU University will also be exempted from the entrance test of the PhD program. And coming to the application fee, 1000 rupees for general category, 750 for the reserved category, and exempted from the appearing entrance examination, 800 rupees for the general category and 600 rupees for the reservation category. And the mode of payment, you have to do the online payment, guys. And a few instructions are given for filling up of the online application form, and here the application is available on the official website to fill up this form, so you may check down. And whatever the required documents are necessary, you have to once check all these required documents. Okay, and I will provide this website link in the description box of this video so that you will get all the things. Okay, And now we've gone through the notification. Let's check about the list of the subjects. So coming to the list of the subjects, total 72 subjects are there. I will just quickly read all these subjects, guys, because some of my subscribers are visually impaired candidates are there. So for those, I am reading the subject names also. Atmospheric and space sciences, basic medical sciences, bioinformatics, biochemistry, biotechnology, botany, chemistry, computer science, electronic science, environmental science, geography, geology, health science, mathematics, microbiology, physics, zoology, chemical engineering, civil, computer, electrical, electronics and telecommunication, instrumentation, metallurgical, mechanical, printing engineering, production and industrial engineering, pharmaceutical chemistry, pharmaceutics, pharmacognosy and pharmacology, chemical and biotechnology, civil and environmental technology, computer technology, electronics and electrical technology, mechanical and material technology. And coming to the commerce and management department, accountancy and auditing, banking and finance, business administration, business economics, business practices, cooperation and rural development, cost and works accounting, marketing, statistics and computer applications, computer management, financial management, hotel management, human resource management, knowledge management, marketing management, organizational management and production management. Coming to the humanities, English, German, Hindi, Marathi, law, anthropology, defense and strategic studies, economics, history, politics, psychology, sociology. And coming to the interdisciplinary studies, drama, music, women's studies, library and information science, social work, education and physical education. So total 72 departments are there. Those are the list of the subjects. And coming to the center-wise vacant seats for the PhD admission. So click on that one and then go to this PDF. Then you will get here the center-wise vacant seats for the PhD admission in the Savitribai Phule Pune University. So here you may check down atmospheric and space sciences. So IMD, India Metallurgical Department. Okay, so the number of vacant seats as per the caste category is also given divided here. So carefully may check down whatever the subject you belongs to. Okay, so check down the corresponding research center or the university department here and check down how many number of vacant seats are there as per your caste category. Okay, so here the complete different subjects, the vacancies are mentioned, and as well as the research centers or the departments are also mentioned. So please go through all these things, guys. And coming to the next one, guide wise vacant seats for the PhD admission. So guide wise, how many vacant seats are there, under which guide? So those vacancies also you can check down here. Yeah. So name of the guide, interdisciplinary education 6, and name of the guide Hindi 2. Okay, like that you can check down as per the guide. Okay, you can check down how many number of vacant seats are there. Fine. So total is the complete notification regarding the PhD entrance examination from the Savitribai Phule University, okay, Phule Pune University. So all the interested candidates may apply for this one. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.